the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the world of education. My name is Malika Aulia Putri. You can call me Malika. Grade 11, class at Vocational School Network Engineering of Nadhabutullah, Perajar Camplong, Sampang.
Abstrak. Indonesia merupakan salah satu negara yang terinfeksi pandemi COVID-19. Penyakit coronavirus 2019 atau biasa disebut dengan COVID-19 adalah penyakit menular yang disebabkan oleh sindrom pernapasan akut coronavirus 2, sehingga berdampak kepada masyarakat dan mahasiswa tidak bisa bertemu langsung di kampus atau di tempat umum. Berdasarkan riset Nielsen yang bertajuk Rise Against the Virus, Indonesian Consumer Response Towards COVID-19 mengungkapkan bahwa sebanyak 50% masyarakat Indonesia mulai mengurangi aktivitas di luar rumah dan 30% di antara lain mengatakan bahwa mereka berencana untuk lebih sering berbelanja online. Begitu juga kegiatan proses belajar mengajar dilaksanakan dari rumah. Bahkan bekerja pun dilakukan dari rumah dengan tujuan agar bisa mengurangi penularan COVID-19. Introduction. It's been almost 4 months of stay at home, stay at home, and work from home, as well as learning for students in accordance with the government program to treat coronavirus disease, which is vulnerable when people get infection with the virus. Not only in Indonesia, but throughout the world, many interpret that COVID-19 is a warning to mankind so that return to care for goods condition. Indonesia is one of the countries infected with the COVID-19 pandemic. Coronavirus disease 2019. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The disease was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of China's Hubei province, and has since spread globally, resulting in the ongoing 2019-2021 coronavirus pandemic. Common symptoms include fever, cough, and soreness of breath. Other symptoms may include muscle aches, fury, sore throat, loss of smell, and abdominal pain. Illness can result in mild symptoms. Some progress to viral pneumonia and multi-organ failure. Because this virus, people activities in virus countries have been disturbed, making people around the world have to stay at home to break the chain of the coronavirus so it don't spread further. Then the economy in various part of the world is also declining due to this virus. The Asian Development predicts that the national economy will grow only at 2.5% in 2008 after growing 5.0% in 2019. This is due to the coronavirus pandemic that is infecting various regions of the archipelago. B. Dissociation. First, definition. COVID-19 is a disease caused by infection with the severe acute respiration syndrome coronavirus 2, in parentheses SARS-CoV-2. COVID-19 can cause respiration system disorders, raging symptoms such as flu, lung infection, such as pneumonia. COVID-19, in the parentheses coronavirus disease, 2019 is a new disease caused by a virus from the coronavirus group, namely SARS-CoV-2, which is also often called the coronavirus. Second, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. At this time, technological disruption occurred in the world of education. Face-to-face learning, which was carried out 100% in schools, suddenly underwent a very drastic change, and it is undeniable that more than 50% of students and college students come from low and middle income communities. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, various policies have been implemented to break the chain of the spread of the COVID-19 virus in Indonesia. One of the efforts made by the government in Indonesia is to appeal to the public to practice physical distancing, namely an appeal to maintain distancing between people, stay away from activities in and from off-road association, and avoid gatherings that involve many people. This effort is aimed at the community so that it can be done to break the chain of the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic that is currently happening. The government implements a policy of work from home. This policy is an effort that is applied to the community so that they can completely all work at home. Education in Indonesia is also one of the areas affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. With the limitation of interaction, the Ministry of Education in Indonesia also issued a policy, namely by closing school and replacing the teaching and learning activities in the parentheses KBM process by using an online system. By using this online learning system, sometimes various problems faced by students and teachers arise, such as subject matter that had not been complete by the teacher, and then the teacher replaces it with other tasks. This is a complaint for students because the tasks given by the teacher behind this is problem, and complaints is thrown out that there are also various lessons for education in Indonesia. Among them, students and teachers can master technology to support online learning. In this era of increasingly sophisticated technological description, teachers and students are required to have the ability in the field of learning technology. Mastery of student and teacher of learning technology that varies greatly is a challenge for them. With the work from home policy, they are able to foresee and accelerate them to master digital learning technology as a necessity for them. The demands of these needs make them able to find out online media that can support as a substitute for direct classroom learning, without reducing the quality of learning materials and equipment targets in learning. Various distance learning media were treated and user facilities that can be used as online learning media include learning, Zoom application, Google Classroom, YouTube, and WhatsApp social media. These facilities can be optimally as a medium in carrying out learning such as in class. By using this online media, indirectly, the ability to use and access technology is increasingly controlled by students and teachers. Clear. This step to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Government. The government at this time has checked the policy from large-scale social restriction to new normal condition with strict protocol that on social distancing or physical distancing, policies which are basis for implementing learning from home by using technology as a learning medium, which suddenly does not work. Surprised to make educator and student sugar, including parents, from the various complaints above. It can be a challenge for educators. How do they continue to motivate students in doing this online learning? An educator must be able to innovate himself and students, meaning by the teacher. Trips lecturer here must be able to arouse the motivation of students by explaining different materials and texts with various interesting learning methods. Educator trips lecturer trips academic. As an educator, you must continue to be responsible for developing the three dharma of higher education in order to achieve its target of delivering teaching assessments where courses must be complemented according to a predetermined time. In various ways it can be done to deliver material online. And questions and quizzes are given and discussed in discussion forums. Likewise, with research that will be carried out to find solutions to problems faced by the community such as the COVID-19 pandemic, so that people feel the result of research conducted by academics, so that the community can actually feel the benefits of the solution presented by academics. Community service should also be able to be carried out even during this large-scale social restriction period. By implementing social distancing and physical distancing is may not optimally achieved, but at least it has taken part in reducing the burden on the community so that they wake up from this adversity. From the parents' point of view, it's the most difficult because the thing about the current for daily life, they have to pay attention to accompanying children to study. Maybe they have to introduce the tools for credit so that children continue to study online. Parents must be able to transform and adapt first so that parents are able to become companions or change mentors for their children at home. This pandemic period is an opportunity to make every parent aware that the burden of children's education can not only be left to teachers. Learning is actually a process of changing one's attitudes and behavior toward teaching and training efforts. Parents who become mentors and companions at home are role models for changing attitudes for students in behaving and dealing with current problems. Parents should be able to relate with their children at home. At the same time, instilling a positive mindset so that we can face this pandemic as a new pattern of life that we must get used to because it has become the new normal, even with strict protocols. Learners. With the government closing schools to prevent the spread of COVID-19, students are now required to study at home. This policy has been in effect for almost a month. Students start to get worried and even complain about the money assignment from the lecturers, so that on average they ask for time back to complete these tasks. The problem is that there are many power failures, internet problems, packages running out, so as a lecturer, they often sided with difficult conditions like this. Meanwhile, Students are also less focused because they are bored at home and often have bedtime because they sit in front of their computer or cell phone for hours. Many students also feel stressed because while studying, students also still have to help their parents with homework, cooking, cleaning the house, and others because it is uncomfortable to see parents doing this. This ways conveyed by many students during a decision via WhatsApp. Request from students that assessment should not be given too much mainly tours. If there are assessment, they should be given a little more time so that they can focus and maintain their immune system. Because they also need time tourists so they can stay concentrated so that the knowledge they receive and be absorbed. What daily is ensuring question that provide them with entertainment so that they are interested in reading or in the form of videos. Actually, they also want to build a high discipline at home with the formation of a mindset that is ready to excel in the face of complexity and complexity that will arise in the future. It becomes an important profession for every individual. Conscious or not aware that competition is getting tougher in the future. This COVID-19 pandemic period will enter the new normal. Even though students are still full of limitation, they are still trying hard for a brighter future. C. Conclusion. Although many educators, students, and the public are not ready to face the era of the 5.0 industrial revolution. Online learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic seems to force all humans to be ready for current technological developments. If viewed from a sociological perspective, this policy is the right step to take in this condition. For example, there is an acceleration so that people can progress faster with internet technology now. For example, by shopping with an online system. It is preferred by the community and reducing transportation time and costs, especially during the COVID-19 period. Because it is safer and healthier, we hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end soon. All citizens of the nation will always be healthy and the progress of life can run normally again by creating new human beings who have a positive mindset that is full of social solidarity.